Another method to defend the kick is something we call the shield. I really like this method a lot because it's very versatile. Depending upon what level this person kicks, whether it's to my leg, to my body, to my head, I can use the same way to defend. So with me, I got Coach Jimmy. Let's demonstrate. All right, Coach Jimmy right now is going to kick me in the body. So as he kicks me in the body, I'm going to go ahead and shield. Okay? He comes in, I shield. He kicks me in the body again, I shield. Let's go ahead and change positions real quick so they can see from the other angle. So I'm here, he kicks, I shield, and he kicks, I shield. One more time, kicks, and I shield. Okay? Thank you, thank you. So now, when we work the shield, we want to keep a couple points of performance in mind. The first one is making sure that when I pick up my foot, I pick up my leg, it's my lead leg, and I pick it up at a 45-degree angle. Okay, this is going to be very important because if I pick up straight forward, he's going to just kick me in my leg. I want to make sure that I meet shin to shin. So I pick up 45-degree angle with my leg locked out at a 90-degree angle, just like this, to help me give me some reinforcement to absorb the shot when it comes. So I'm here, boom. Okay, I pick up 45, 90-degree angle, and I'm ready to go. Second point of performance, you want to make sure you keep my elbow outside of my leg, just like this. So that way I connect my elbow to the outside and I have good defense against any kicks that come towards the midsection, just like this. Bam. Third thing, I want to make sure I keep my hands close to my head. It could be touching my head or just at least close, because that way, if the kick comes high, I have some type of pillow or some type of object to be in between us. Okay, so again, I'm here, I pick up and I put it down. One final thing to think about is my foot, my lead foot. If I pick up my foot and I keep it pointed straight down like this, I'm going to expose my instep to being kicked. I don't know if you've ever kicked in the instep before, but it really hurts. So I want to make sure that we avoid that by keeping our foot straight. And if we do that, my toes will be pointed forward. If I absorb a kick on my toes, is that going to be unpleasant? Sure, but at least it's better than being kicked in the instep and slowing me down and stopping me from being able to throw my best weapons. All right, so my partner's going to come back in again, and he go ahead and he kicks. Now let's say he kicks to my leg. I really like using the shield because I'm taking away his intended target and using that as a means of defending the kick. If he kicks to the body, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I keep my elbow to the outside. If he kicks to the head, I make sure that my hands are close to my head and I can use the same defense no matter what.